Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video here on my channel. Today we are going to play Stray again, and last video we were at that big tower and turned on the generator. Hi, look, a note. A little outside, if you're reading this, that means you're still alive. Excellent. So I took some equipment to a bar to take advantage of their antenna. Come and meet me there. I've locked the window, but the code to the open it is quite simple. It is. Oh, that's not a simple code. We have the case and see you at the bar, Momo. That must be the code for window entrance. Let's go. Okay. Here the lock. Here's the lock for the window. The code was. I think it was an H. I think. I wrote wrong key. Oops, my bad. Okay, let's try that again. And then it was O, or was it a 0? Let's see. Success. It worked. Momo is at the bar waiting for us. Okay. Let's go to the bar. Oops. But remember in the part 1, we, or wait, oh, it's there been something wrong. I did this. I'm Yaud, and this happened. Yeah. I think something's been gone wrong, and I need to redo it. But I'm in the slums part 2 at least. I just wanted to check that out. Whoop, 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 whoop. Here, oh, I can take that. Something else here. Nope. Let's go to a bar. Here, I think, yeah, there's Momo. Hey, the furball. Come here, I managed to get a signal. Okay, no. Let me see if I can get the thing working. I've almost got it. Hello, can anyone hear me? Hello, yes, we can hear you. We are from the slums. We're looking for a way out and... Wait, is that you, Salvazar? Momo? Psh. I can't believe it. I'm so happy to hear your voice, Salvazar. Where are you? And are the others okay? Yes, psh, we are safe. Psh, we found a way up. Psh. Hello, do you still hear me? You have to go through the sewers to reach us. Psh, very dangerous. Psh, circs everywhere. Sewers? How? Hello? Darn it, we lost the signal. I can't believe it. Salvazar is alive. He and the other outside managed to go up through the sewers. The sewers are the most dangerous place in the slum, but if Salvazar made it, there must be a way. You will never get past the sewers. It's infected with circs. They'll make a quick meal out of you, especially you, little one. Many tried their luck in the past. It doesn't. and doesn't end well, didn't end well or something like that. Anyway, I warned you, your business is none of my business. Same as his father. Doc used to be a great scientist. He was working on some new weapon to fight the Zergs. A few years ago, he went off to test the device and never came back. Seamus has never been the same since. Don't listen to Seamus, he's just scared like I was. If Doc built a weapon, that's our ticket to join the Outsiders. In his notebook, Doc mentioned a secret lab a few times. That must be where he was working on it. There might be a clue in Seamus' apartment. Follow me. Oh, yeah, I'm following him. Now, is it over here? Is it in here? Well, it's not there. There's nothing over there. Oh, is it here? Oh, okay. Come on, Seamus, open the door. You know your father would have wanted to help us. Well, that was to be expected. This situation is pretty tough on Seamus. He doesn't want to hear about the outside anymore. He won't help me, but you. I think I have an idea. Is there a window over here or something? Oh, okay. Here, take Doc's notebook and show it to Seamus. It contains a lot of information that will hopefully act as an electroshock. Find the secret lab layout. I'm going back to a bar to try reestablish communication with the others. Okay, Momo. What are you doing here? I told you getting through this tube was a suicide mission. Leave me be. I'm showing you this. What is this? Wait, is this my papa's? Oh wow, I never knew. There's a secret room here in our flat. But where? Wait, I can interact with these. Oh, oh, I can put in the code there, but I don't know what the code is. Nah, nothing there. Next. Nope, nothing there. One left. Then I guess it's behind here. Yes, it was behind there. Time will tell. Okay. I think I know. We need to look at the clock. 2531. 2 5 1 1. Oh, it was the right code. 2311. Here's the lab. I've never seen this room. I can't believe he managed to hide it from me all this time. These blueprints They must be for his circ weapon. Papa was always so secretive with his work. He told me the weapon was working in theory, but it needed real-life tests. He went outside the slums and he never came back. I can translate this. Robots' new headlines. Circs are officially no longer under control. They now eat metal. Find anything interesting in here? I translate. The Fluxer blueprint have light-based handgun, low oh, that's off. That's 20 circ destroy per second. Okay. It was a lot of text. But I can. Is there something? Was there something in there? No, it wasn't. But there's another one up here. I can push it down. Then I guess it's in here. Yeah, it was. Big broken tracker. I'm showing it to Samus. Hey, Samus. Here. Wait, I remember that. That's his tracker. Papa always used that that tracker to keep an eye on where I was. Maybe we can reverse it to find where he went. I can't believe my Papa still might still be alive. I missed him so much. You need a weapon for the circs, right? My Papa definitely took one with him. We just need to repair the trace so we can find them. Someone in the slums should be able to help. Come with me. I'll open the door for you. Open the door. Open the door. FBI, open up. Okay. How you just open it through me? Okay. I will go around here in the search, I guess. Translate. Elliot programming. Knock on the door and wait for us to open. Maybe Elliot can help me. Oh, is this Elliot? No, Elliot. Okay, he's sleeping. Are you? Oh, he's Nestor. Are you here for Elliot? He's just over there. Where? Oh, upstairs, maybe. Oh, I guess that's Elliot. Yes, can I help you? Yes, you can help me. Oh wow, that's a great tracker. I recognize the model. It's Romeo photos, and you can track anyone with this little gadget. May I? I know how to repair it, but when I'm trembling like this, I can't use my keyboard. I don't know if I'm sick or something. I definitely don't feel right. I can't work. I'm shivering like this. I think I need a blanket to fix. I'll be able to fix it. Okay. I guess I can go outside here. Yep. Yeah. Oh, I was not supposed to jump up there. Okay, I need a blanket or something. Oh yeah. Batman Super Speed Laundry, Grandma Clothing, Elliot Okay, I think I need grandma clothing. That's over here. Yeah, here. Meet. Hey grandma, I do love knitting so far. I've knitted 478 miles of scarves. It's something to do. If you bring me some electric, I could make you a poncho. You inspire me, but it's not easy to find the right materials around here. Electric cables. I need to find electric cables. I'm just gonna go around until I find. Oh, that's the electric cables I need. Hello, I'm the merchant of the market. You give me something, I'll give you something in exchange. It's as simple as that. This set of electric cable, the best of the market. I'll exchange it for super speed. Grand, that's the best I can do. Isn't that? Oh, it's the thing I picked up before. Okay, here you go. Yeah, I got it. Okay, now I guess I'm going back to Grandma's knitting. Then I'm going back to Elliot. Was it somewhere around here? Yeah, it's over here. And the Elliot's place is here, so yeah. Okay. Here. Thank you, dear, my dear. I'll get to work right away. Okay. So do I need to wait? Oh, okay. I don't need to wait. I got the poncho. Yay. There you go, little one. It'll suit you well. But I am going to give it to Elliot. Sorry, Grandma. Give it to Elliot. He needs it more than me. Oh, why did I jump down? I'm lagging. Wait, I got in. Here, Elliot. I'm just gonna skip this here. Oh, where did you find this? It's amazing. Let me try it on. Look, no tremors. I'm able to work again. Thanks, now I can definitely fix your tracker. Yay! Let me take a look. I just gotta give it an update and one more thing for you. There you go, little one. Good luck finding who you're looking for. Yep, I'm looking for Doc, so I will find him now, I guess. Was Seamus' house over here? I think so. Yeah, over here. There. Did you manage to fix that tracker? Yes, I did. You did it. You fixed it. Well done. I give it here. Okay, I guess I'm following him. We got a ping. It's Papa. Is Papa really alive? I can't believe it. Is Papa really alive? I can't believe it. Let's follow the tracker. Maybe we'll find where Papa went. Okay, I'll just follow. Okay, I'm following you, Samus. Oh wait. Oh, my keys are reversed when I have this on. Look at this. It's so funny. Okay, I'm coming. And I walk like this. Oh, I threw it away. Okay. This must be it. He really left the slums. It's dangerous out here, but I must be sure. I need to know. Let's do this. Ew. Slurks. Come on, Seamus. Ew, ew, ew. It's like meaty walls. Disgusting. Come on, Seamus. Come on. Look at all these Cirques eggs. They will eat us. I can't do this. No, come with. I'm not as fast as you. The Cirques will get me for sure. I want you to go with me. Here, take this badge. My papa will recognize it. He will know that you're a friend. Alright. I'll open the door for you. Oh wait. Oh, I actually got a badge on me. Look there. Got a badge. Yeah. Oh, I'm supposed to go over here. Dead end. Oh, there's Cirques here. It's Cirques. Oh no. No. Get off me. Get off me. Go away. No. No. Get away. No. Oh, there was a jump there. No. No. Seriously. Okay. Let's try again. Now I know that I need to jump there. Okay. Then. Okay, jump. Yeah, away from me, Cirques. Ew. Disgusting. No, not again. Yeah, I need to be faster. Yeah, this time I need to run. Oh yeah. Pro gamer. Pro gamer. Pro gamer. Pro gamer. Pro gamer. Oh yeah. Now I know I need to jump here. Oh yeah. run. Okay, I need to go. There. Run. Oh, no. Leave me alone. Uh, Okay, I'm safe now, I think. The Zurks can definitely not get here. Come on. I need to. Can I jump over there? Oh, no, wait. Like this. Now I can jump over there and here, and chain jumps. As we learned that in the first video. Oh, wait. Oh, whoa, whoa, no. Poor little, poor little kitty. Are you okay? That was a huge fall. Doc should be nearby. We must be close. No, not. My leg's broke again. Oh, I can like do that. Yeah. Now my leg is fine again. How can I like break my leg and like heal them directly after? I'm not an axolotl. I'm a cat. Okay. Heal many circles. There's a like cable. And I need like a battery an electric generator. But it seems to require some other part to function. Yeah, I'll just follow the cables. That would probably lead me somewhere. Oh, it took me here. Look at these disgusting eggs. Oh, I guess this Doc's house. He captured Zurks. Hello, Doc. Oh, look, he's here. Whoa! Wait, you're not a Zurks. Who are you? That's my badge you're wearing. How did you find it? Did my son send you? Oh, same as you're a clever boy. I've been alone here for ages. I came here to test my defluxer, but it didn't go as planned. I wish I could go back home. I miss my son dearly. You can have a look around at the house if you want, but I have no idea how to escape this place. Okay, so we got to Doc's house. So I guess that's everything for today. Thank you for watching this